Myntri Rangbah kejala konrad kisangma haksi ulai lalai Jurip yak surok badai ka Jingkieng ke basyarat hak Umbah ha Bondumali terkila kabadan hawas karu hills. Hakani ke Jurip usia mulabtha iktanat badai pej bahkan sedang no mardor ban marmat no namar kadai kalenti ke penyesop bad bunteli kisnong.
Normally when raksamgre jagra programme karumo. Jadi tahu saya ini problem berah. Nah itu bagi orang cancel. Ya tik tak ya doa bah. Eksi gembek kara. Watchio de, ya kita sidang ki iba hara. Ya kita neki say bank. There also it's true. But
one bridge is hopefully
no, that is done.
No, not Apalgri. Kapunangri bridge. Kapunangri
Oh,
bridge.
you mean
What?
something
Ahmedjalga.
India walu kahana by 9 meters completed.
Yeah, basically we had come here to survey the damage, to meet the people out here. So entire administration, all the officials from different departments, we are all here. Our MLA from Raksamgri and our MDC also is here. And this is one of the main bridges and the areas road that has been damaged. And this is on the AMPT road, which is a lifeline for this entire region and this entire area of Tikikila, Pulbari and Rajabala and Silsila. So therefore, we are working on this. We have asked the PWD to immediately make sure that this is completed at the earliest. They have given us a commitment that within the next 2 weeks, we should be able to ply at least light vehicles through this. So this is the damage that has been caused. It's happened throughout the state, but this is just one of the areas, and we are hoping that we'll be able to quickly rectify and bring back things to normalcy very soon. Thank you.